Welcome to Weekly Astro News. I'm thrilled to have you here as we dive into the latest and most exciting happenings in the world of astronomy and space exploration. In each episode, we'll explore the top stories from the past week, bringing you up to date with the newest discoveries, missions, and celestial events. Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just curious about the cosmos, this channel is your go-to source for all things space. Sit back, relax, and let's embark on this cosmic journey together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop with your weekly dose of Astro News. This episode is brought to you by Spaceopedia.uk, the source for daily space news. This week on Astro News. NASA's Parker Solar Probe achieves historic milestone. Spectacular auroras light up the sky as coronal mass ejection hits Earth. NASA's Ingenuity Mars helicopter takes flight in the Roses Parade. Quadrantid Meteor Shower. Close approach of Saturn and the Moon. SpaceX's year of record-breaking achievements. NASA's Parker Solar Probe has made history by completing its closest approach to the Sun, providing unprecedented data about our star. This monumental achievement marks a significant leap in our understanding of the Sun's outer atmosphere and space weather phenomena. Launched in August 2018, the Parker Solar Probe was designed to withstand extreme temperatures and radiation as it ventured closer to the Sun than any spacecraft before it. On its latest flyby, the probe reached a record-breaking distance of just 4.3 million miles from the Sun's surface, enduring temperatures of up to 2500 degrees Fahrenheit. The probe's mission is to study the Sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere, which is known for its mysterious and intense heat. By analyzing the corona, scientists hope to uncover the mechanisms that drive solar wind and influence space weather. These insights are crucial for understanding how solar activity affects our planet and could lead to better predictions of space weather events that can disrupt satellite communications and power grids. The Parker Solar Probe is equipped with a suite of advanced instruments designed to measure Sun's magnetic fields, plasma, and energetic particles. During its close encounter, the probe collected valuable data that scientists are eagerly analyzing. Early findings have already shed light on the dynamic nature of the Sun's atmosphere and the complex processes that occur within it. In our next story, on New Year's Eve 2024, skywatchers in high latitude regions were treated to a breathtaking display of auroras as a coronal mass ejection (CME) from the Sun has reached Earth. This powerful burst of solar material was launched from the Sun on December 29, 2024, and traveled through space, arriving at our planet 2 days later. The impact of the CME triggered geomagnetic storms, creating stunning light shows in the form of auroras, also known as the Northern and Southern Lights. CMEs are massive explosions of plasma and magnetic fields from the Sun's corona, the outermost layer of its atmosphere. When these energetic particles collide with Earth's magnetic field, they can cause geomagnetic storms that affect our planet's magnetosphere. These storms can lead to our beautiful auroras as charged particles interact with gases in Earth's atmosphere, emitting light and creating colorful displays that dance across the sky. The Space Weather Prediction Center had accurately forecasted the arrival of the CME, allowing people in higher latitudes to prepare for the potential auroral displays. The geomagnetic storms resulting from this CME were particularly intense, leading to auroras that were visible further south than usual. Observers in regions such as Canada, Scandinavia, and even parts of northern United States were treated to a dazzling array of colors ranging from greens and pinks to purples and reds. In an innovative blend of space exploration and cultural tradition, NASA's Ingenuity Mars helicopter made a historic appearance at the 2025 Tournament of Roses Parade in Pasadena. The float, named Rover Rendezvous, featured a floral replica of groundbreaking helicopter which became the first drone to fly on a parade float. This unique demonstration celebrated Ingenuity's remarkable achievements on Mars and showcased NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Since its launch in 2021, Ingenuity has successfully completed numerous flights on the Martian surface, proving that powered controlled flights are possible in the thin Martian atmosphere. During the parade, the floral Ingenuity replica took to the skies, symbolizing the spirit of innovation and exploration that drives drives NASA's missions. The event drew significant attention and admiration from the public, highlighting the connection between space exploration and our everyday lives. The Parade's Rover Rendezvous float paid tribute to ongoing Perseverance rover missions and its trusty companion, Ingenuity. The float featured intricate floral arrangements and models of Martian terrain, providing a vivid representation of mission's accomplishments. As the new year begins, the night sky was set to light up with one of the most anticipated celestial events, the Quadrantid Meteor Shower. This annual meteor shower is renowned for its bright fireballs and high meteor rate, offering stargazers a mesmerizing display. The Quadrantid Meteor Shower is named after now-defunct constellation Quadrans Muralis. Today, the meteors appear to radiate from the constellation Bootes near the Big Dipper. Unlike other meteor showers that last for several days, the Quadrantids have a relatively short peak period, making it essential to catch the display at its best. The Quadrantid Meteor Shower peaked on the night of January 2nd and early morning of January 3rd, 2025. During this peak, the shower produced up to 110 meteors per hour under ideal conditions. This year, the viewing conditions were particularly favorable, with minimal moonlight to interfere with the visibility of the meteors. As if the Quadrantid Meteor Shower wasn't enough, early January 2025 brings another celestial spectacle, the close approach of Saturn and the Moon. On January 4th, Saturn passed extremely close to the Moon, providing a breathtaking sight for skywatchers. Saturn came within just half of the degree of the Moon, a rarity that won't happen again until 2031. This close encounter made Saturn and its iconic rings visible alongside the Moon, creating a striking contrast. The Moon was 24.7% illuminated and offered the perfect balance of light to observe both celestial bodies. This event was visible to the naked eye from both hemispheres, making it accessible to skywatchers around the world. The best time to observe this close approach was after sunset, when Saturn and the Moon were higher in the sky. And quiz time! What is the name of the mission that featured the world's first private spacewalk in 2024? Be the first to answer correctly in the comments, and your comment will be featured in the next week's video. Good luck to everyone, looking forward to seeing your answers. SpaceX achieved new heights with a series of remarkable accomplishments. The company set a new record by completing an astonishing 134 successful orbital launches, significantly surpassing its previous record of 96 launches in 2023. This impressive feat included the frequent use of the Falcon 9 rocket and the Falcon Heavy for 2 additional missions. SpaceX made significant progress with its Starship system, notably achieving the successful catch of the Super Heavy booster with the launch tower's mechanical arms during its 5th test flight in October, demonstrating a pivotal step towards reusability. The year also saw the successful Polaris Dawn mission in September, featuring the world's first private spacewalk by Jared Isaacman, underscoring the growing role of private astronauts in space exploration. Additionally, SpaceX expanded its Starlink constellation by deploying over 6,800 satellites, enhancing global internet connectivity with advanced direct-to-cell capabilities. Despite facing challenges such as failed Starlink satellite deployment in July and the rocket booster failure in August, SpaceX showcased its resilience by swiftly addressing these issues and resuming operations. Overall, 2024 was a monumental year for SpaceX, paving the way for future innovations and solidifying its leadership in aerospace industry. Thank you for tuning in to this edition of Weekly Astro News. We hope you enjoyed our coverage of the latest astronomical events and discoveries. Join us again next week for more exciting updates from the world of space exploration. Stay curious, and as always, keep looking up. Have a good Sunday.